Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone not charging after new iOS update. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone won't charge after the new iOS update, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is make sure your lightning cable, charger or socket is perfect working. If not working, replace the data cable, lightning cable, charger or socket and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve all bugs. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find general and tap on it, little bit scroll up again, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely restart, your problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check the charging port, ensure the charging port is free from dust and dubs. Clean the charging port with soft cloth, brush or pin and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is try a different charging cable, ensure the charging cable is not damaged. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is try a different power source, try charging from a different power outlet or USB port and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for software updates, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is hard reboot your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Restore your iPhone, try resetting your iPhone to its factory settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, tap on continue and erase your iPhone, backup your iPhone data and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is avoiding overcharging, updating your iPhone to the latest version. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply visiting an Apple store or authorized service provider to further assistance. They can help diagnose and fix any hardware or software issues related to charging on iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone not charging after the new iOS update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.